Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can join the Temu influencer program. So let's get right into it. Now, I'm not sure what the process looks like on mobile applications. However, I know how it's done on the web version. So let me go over the steps really quickly. Now, what you need to do once you're on the main page of Temu, make sure you're logged in, is scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you'll see the affiliate and influencer program. Click on that. That'll open up a new page with the influencer and affiliate program, and this is the affiliate tab. Now, if you want to get an influencer account or become an influencer for Temu, this is not the tab that you want. You want to click on influencer, and here, as you'll see, you will have the option to join the program. Now, you can just click authorize to unlock or join to earn, and you pretty much get free items in exchange for promoting them on your social media. And once you click join, as you'll see, it will open up a new page, which is the affiliate campaign, detail page. And here you'll see the requirements and you can join the campaign. And other than that, you can copy to post and submit the link. And as you'll see all the requirements over here. Now for Instagram, you need to put your affiliate link in your link tree, bio, or description box. The content must be publicly available for at least 30 days, and no other brands should be included in the video or caption. The duration and posting volume of your promo posts need to exceed 30 seconds in length. For Reels, image posts need a minimum of 4 images to be uploaded, and the engagement criteria must achieve at least 10 likes within 30 days of posting, and videos must remain publicly accessible for a minimum of 60 days, which is, of course, 2 months. Then, as for other requirements, you'll see the content requirements here, and for attention, as you can see, you must refrain from mentioning competitors and other sort of things. You can just list through all the requirements over here. And then once you go through the requirements and join the campaign, you can then click here to copy, to post and submit the link. And pretty much that's all you need to do. Click copy and post, and you'll have the link over here. And you can then submit the link, and you'll be pretty much set. And that is all there pretty much is to it. It is as easy as that. You just need to go through, make sure you meet all the requirements for the platform you're posting it on, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.